Hey, this is Chase over at SLE Equipment, located in Antioch, Tennessee, 20 minutes south of Nashville, Tennessee. You can reach us at 615-641-7720 or online at sleequipment.com. Today, we're looking at our Husqvarna Z248F zero turn. This is going to be a residential zero turn. It's going to come with your 48-inch clear-cut welded deck. That is going to be a 10-gauge steel deck. On this deck, there's going to be a quick connect nozzle, so you can hook up that quick connect to your water hose and easily clean your deck. So that makes it real nice. On this machine, you're going to have a 21.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine. You lift that up, you get straight to your air filter, pops right off, easy to change that out. You come out to the other side of the engine, you got your oil filter right here to change your oil. You got your dipstick right here to put the oil in. There is a release valve for the oil right here for when you're changing it to drain that oil. Alright? This machine has cast iron spindles with 3 grease points. One right here, one right there, and another one right there. These covers bolt right on and bolt right off, as well as this top cover to get to your pulleys and to get to your spindles. This machine also has adjustable arms. Right now it's at the bottom, but you can adjust both of these arms. If you come over on the right hand side of the machine, you got your console with your PTO for your blades, your choke for when you're starting the machine up, and your throttle for your speeds. Now, this is where your gas goes. It's got a 5-gallon fuel tank. This machine comes with, or it has the ability to have a lot of accessories added on there, like a mulch kit or a hitch kit. You can buy a cover for it. All these accessories are listed on our website, as well as the mower by itself. We have them as a package deal, and the mower by itself. Maintenance wise, this machine, you want to change the oil every 50 hours to a year, depending on how much you're using it. It takes normal engine oil. All that specifics come in your manual when you get the machine. It's really easy to start. You just get your key, you turn it. As you turn it, you engage your choke, it'll cut right on. So that is the Z248F Kawasaki that we have in stock. If you give us a call, it's 615-641-7720, or look us up online at sleequipment.com. Thanks.